What if I told you the reason you're struggling to lose fat while building muscle isn't because you need more cardio or heavier weights? It's because most people are doing both at the wrong time, at the wrong intensity, and sending their body mixed signals. They're burning themselves out on the treadmill, destroying their recovery, then wondering why their muscles aren't growing. But there's a smarter way, a method that combines Zone 2 cardio and lifting to help you burn fat, improve endurance, and build a stronger physique. And the first mistake most people make might surprise you. Most people think fat loss cardio means one thing: go as hard as possible, sweat more, breathe harder, push until you're completely destroyed. But here's the problem. High-intensity cardio all the time is like flooring the gas pedal every single day. Eventually, your engine gets tired, your workouts suffer, your strength drops, and your body has a harder time recovering. Then there are people who lift weights and completely ignore cardio because they think cardio will kill their gains. But the truth is, when done correctly, cardio can actually help you perform better. The secret is understanding the difference between just doing cardio and training your energy system. That's where Zone 2 comes in. Zone 2 cardio is the intensity where your body is working, but you're still completely in control. Think of it like driving on a long highway. You're moving, the engine is working, but you're not redlining. You should be able to hold a conversation, but you shouldn't be able to sing a full song comfortably. That's the sweet spot. Your breathing increases, your heart rate rises, your body becomes better at using stored energy. The goal isn't to finish cardio feeling destroyed. The goal is to finish feeling like you could have done a little more. Let's talk about the biggest mistake. Imagine someone finishes a brutal leg workout. Their muscles are damaged, their nervous system is tired. Then they jump onto the treadmill and sprint for 30 minutes. Their recovery gets worse, their legs stay exhausted, their next workout suffers. Now compare that with the smarter approach. Lift with quality effort, then add controlled Zone 2 cardio. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right amount. Start with lifting. Your muscles need you fresh, your technique needs to be sharp, your reps need control. Add Zone 2 cardio after your workout or on separate days. Don't chase exhaustion, chase consistency. Cardio is not punishment for eating, and lifting is not just about getting bigger. Together, they create a body that is stronger, more efficient, and more powerful. So remember, lift first with focus. Keep your Zone 2 cardio controlled. Build endurance without sacrificing strength. Measure success by how well you perform week after week. Train smarter, stay consistent, and build the strongest version of yourself.